Hello everyone, and welcome back to the tutor. Today I'm going to be talking about two Pokemon I've found quite interesting for a while now, so I'm glad I'm getting the Coppertunity to do so. I think they're pretty elephantastic, and these two Pokemon are of course Copperajah and Cufant. They're both Steel-type Pokemon based off of elephants covered in copper, which is why they are referred to as the Copperderm, or literally copper skin Pokemon. Now what I found really interesting about these Pokemon is their coloration. Cufant's Pokedex entry states that its copper body tarnishes in the rain, turning a vibrant green color, and I wanted to know more about the science behind this. It's not exactly an elephant in the room, but still something I thought would be fun to discuss. When copper is left exposed to things like water and air, over time it will form this bluish-green covering, which is known as a patina, which is seen on structures like the Statue of Liberty. This is actually a form of corrosion, in which copper is oxidized. And if you want to learn more about corrosion and oxidation in more detail, go check out part 1 of this Pokemon Science series, where we talk about Salandit and Salazzle's corrosive poison. Anyways, this patina forms from a series of chemical reactions, which I'll go over right now. First, copper will react with oxygen in the air to form a compound called copper 1 oxide, which has a reddish color. Next, copper will be further oxidized when copper 1 oxide will react with more oxygen in the air to form copper 2 oxide, a black colored compound. And from here, we'll have reactions that form different compounds that make up the final patina. Copper 2 oxide will react with carbon dioxide in the air and water from either water vapor in the air or rainwater to form this green colored compound known as malachite in its mineral form. When these three compounds react in a different ratio, they'll form azurite, a blue colored copper compound. And when copper 2 oxide and water react with sulfur trioxide, a major component of acid rain, they'll form brochantite, another green-colored copper compound. A combination of these three compounds is what gives Cufant and Copperajah their vibrant colors. Now one more interesting thing related to this is Copperajah's Dex entry, which states that their green skin is resistant to water. This idea is actually rooted in science as well. When copper on the surface of a chunk of copper corrodes and forms a patina, it protects the copper on the interior from being corroded, making it resistant to reacting with things like water. This is known as passivation, when metals get a protective coating. Also, it's a nice detail that Copperajah's skin is greener than Cufant's because it would get more corroded over time. Well, thanks for watching. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Hit that bell icon so you don't miss any more future uploads. If you enjoyed this video, check out part 1 where I discuss Salandit and Salazzle's corrosive chemistry. Until next time, I'll be waiting for you to come back to the tutor.